Yes, dear viewers, this is my first video to you based on my write ups published in a book, Frankly Speaking. I'll be sharing with you one by one, and I hope you will relish all of them. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at the end. My first title is Pen Name is More Important to Become Popular. Dear, writing, is it an art or science? In fact, the question makes no sense. Yet, it is surely an art, and at the same time, it is a spiritual journey, an emotional odyssey which gives a series of experiences and knowledge or understandings to someone. No doubt, we write and speak for others. Otherwise, there is no necessity to write or speak. But writing is an art and natural gift, and writers are the true scientists that the writers compose their composition by reaching at the state where the normal thinker cannot reach. During the 90s, when I became a member of Sahaj Sangam, there used to be regular monthly meetings of the local writers. In one such gathering, I read out my old composition later on. It was rejected by during the course of discussion, which was a routine matter, to comment about the contents of write-ups of each writer, and in the case of ghazals, if the same is metric or non-metric, etc. From the very beginning, I was very much against writing vulgarity, and even I used to hold responsible both the writers and the singers as well for singing later on. There is only one writer which I liked very much, Saadat Hasan Manto, a Pakistani writer, a playwright, and author, considered among the greatest writers of short stories in South Asian history, who has written afsanas, and he too was charged for writing vulgar. He was the most he was the most widely read and the most controversial short story writer in Urdu. He was tried for obscenity half a dozen times, thrice after the independence. Not only, but he was quoted in all the cases. Some of Manto's greatest work was produced in the last 7 years of his life, a time of great financial and emotional hardship for him. But the plus point about him was that there were a number of his fans standing in his court, outside the court, and inside the court. In the preface of Mantonama, Manto has clearly written, I am writing whatever society is doing. Let the society stop wrongs and I will stop writing. He had also shared that Manto has so many stories in his mind, and if anyone is ready to put them in a bottle, he is ready to even die. Frankly speaking, I cannot forget the incident which is still alive in my memories when we had a annual meet in one of the hall of the government school. When my turn came to speak, to share something new, I flatly told that I have not written anything in the past, but I have brought something very interesting written by Mr. Dutt Bharti. When I read out the contents of the write-up of Dutt Bharti, those were like this: इस पार भी चुप, उस पार भी चुप, ਤੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਿਆ ਇਸ ਹਵਾਵਾਂ ਦਾ ਚੁੱਪ, ਹਵਾਵਾਂ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੋਰ, its silence here and there. It was applauded by one and all, and I was flooded with a number of questions. Who is Dutt Bharti? Where he lives? Have we met him earlier? Has he ever come to our meetings? Do call him Mr. Monga. Contents and ideas are really appreciable, said another prominent writer of that time. When I told that it is proved today that whatever you write is not more important nowadays, it is a writer's name. Whatever I have read out today is the same which I read out, which I shared with all of you a year back under my pen name. All were astonished to hear these words and more dumbfounded when I showed the old diary with the same contents and I now read out in the name of Datta Bharati, a fictitious character created by me. Really, pen name is more important to become famous in writers fraternity. That's why sometimes I write as Harish Monga Diddo, Harish K. Monga, and sometimes with a fictitious or character name Harish only even. So this is the first video with all of you. I hope you will relish this and I'll come with more videos, such videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Wait for the next video.